What's up, team, and welcome back to the channel. This month is going to be an important month for SPY. We are about to start August, but before I give you that update, guys, I want to give you an update on how we are doing with the swing trades I gave you guys last week. So let's take a look. So the first one we got on the list, guys, is Autodesk, and you can see Autodesk is on its way up and has continued in a very nice trend, guys. Then we have IoT, $1.53 up, guys. We have Marvel, it's up $3.24. We have IWM that went up $5.53, but has seen a pullback here, which I think that this is going to be consolidation, and then we head up. Then we had IRM, guys, 85 cents. I'll take it. And now it's starting to decline. So we're at about a 40% profit. I'm sorry, 40-cent profit, which is about 40% for every dollar. Now we have Snow that is up $7.73. We do have Chewy that took a turn down for whatever reason, and news, guys, is down $1.66. And we do have Box that is up $14, guys, and 21 cents. That is really nice. All right, so let's take a look at this regression channel, guys, and you can see on our way up. Okay, one of the things I always look for, guys, is this midline right here. Okay, are we above it or are we below the midline? And you can see that we did make it to the top of the channel, guys, and then we started to dip down and we rode that midline, and of course we dipped even more than that, coming to the bottom of the channel. But of course they started to run back up, guys, and they just couldn't get it done. And look at this, we are here now. What are the chances that we are going to go higher in this bull run, guys? I'm going to tell you right now, it's not looking good for SPY. So make sure you understand where we are at. Okay, we had this very big angle here, guys. This was about a 40+% angle. Okay, and as we went along, guys, there's nice rejection. Even though we're going up, we have some nice rejection, but it's all slanting downwards, guys. Okay, they are trying hard to keep this price action going up, guys, and they just can't get it done. So be careful with your longs. Okay, we are going into August, and what does that mean? August means that we are going to decline. Historically, this is a month where we go down. All right, so now let's focus on the last 30 days, guys. And you remember in my last SPY video, I told everybody that in the month of July, guys, we always go up anywhere from 1 to 3%, guys. And you can see that we literally did that. Okay, so we take the bottom right here, July 1st, guys, and I go all the way up here. We did 3.55%. And the focus in the video was the last 2 weeks of July, guys, which is here. And you can see most of the run was there, guys. 3.13%, and this was a $20 run. Doesn't matter if you started in July, guys. You could have bought one call option and let it ride up for $20, and you would have been sitting pretty. Now, check this out. Okay, so lots of people are worried about all-time highs and all that good stuff. We dip, but right in here, guys, this was the major play. Okay, we tested. Let me put that back up for you guys. We tested this whole area, guys, until we finally broke out. And you can see that we had 1, 2, and then finally broke out the third time. Then they dipped down, and then we started an uptrend. And of course, guess what? They dipped down, guys. Let me draw you a even better picture so you understand this. So every time we have a new all-time high, and I called this out in previous videos, okay? All-time high, we dip, guys, okay? Then this was a pullback to 50%, and then they finished it off, guys, okay? Now we did a new all-time high right in here, guys. Check this out. All-time high. And then we dipped, guys. Right in here. That was an all-time high. And guess what? We dipped again. And now, all-time high, 3 days in a row. What are the chances we're going to dip, guys? Okay. I am looking at this area here, 628, 629 area. Unless you can promise me we're going to head to about 645 and 650. But like I always say, guys, charts don't lie. So let's map this out. How big is this dip going to be? Now, if we take the previous dips, okay, and we can say this was a dip here that gave us $8, which was 1.3%. And then I'm going to go to the next dip, and that gave us a total of $9, 1.5%. And then we had this dip here, guys. Okay. Almost 1%, $5 move. So we go between 5 and 9. Let's just call it a 7. So we dip down $7. We are in this range. So when the market dips, don't freak out and don't say it's going to crash. It's not crashing, guys. It's a normal correction. And who knows, once we get down here, we might see a really nice move to the upside, guys. Check that out. Okay. But we have to make the move down. They have to get down here, guys. I can tell you exactly where this is going to be. If you join the bull ring, guys, I will put that up in the bull ring and you guys will be able to see this stuff. It is not hard to tell you where they're going. All right. So now let's throw a Fibonacci on here, guys. And if you believe in Fibonacci, you know what I'm about to show you. And if I tell you that SPY is going to dip back down to the 631 area, what would you say to me, guys? Okay, I think they're going to dip here, and I think they're still going to continue down, and they're going to test this trend line, guys. However, if they only come to the 631 area, that is still a winner chicken dinner. But August tells us what? That we are going to dip, guys. If I look at the previous August, we are looking at about anywhere from $10 to $20 drop, guys. So we can come down here to about 625 area, 626. Or if they make the full move, a $20 drop, guys, which would be 3% after such a rise, that is normal. We'll see 616, 615 area for the month of August. Again, guys, if you're getting value from these videos, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and hit that like if you found this to be informative. It's going to help you this week, guys. Don't forget, I'll gladly let you guys come into the bull ring and watch us trade live for free, guys. I'm going to leave you a link below. But for the meantime, SPY is going to decline in the month of August. Come Monday, we should see a nice little dip, and then they will pull back and we'll continue to see a rise down. Remember, we still have 30 days, guys, for this to play out. So if we pop up a little bit, I don't want to hear you say, oh, you were wrong. I am talking about the next 30 days. Just like I drew this out for you guys since July 1st, guys, I told you we were going to go up, and sure enough, we did. So in the meantime, don't forget your stop losses. See you on the next video.